a true success is not measured by personal achievements, but by our impact on other lives. No? Every people, regardless of race, are thinking of success. That success word sometimes is tempting. No? Sometimes it derailed us from our way to the Lord. But the true success is not measured by our personal achievements, not by the annexes of our name. If you are PhD or RN or whatever, or ATTY, but by our impact on other lives. That is how I had my mission work, my vision also in life. I shared it with my family that we're just living here in this world temporarily. So be it that our life will have an impact to others. Not solely that it will be a self-serving life, but an impact to others. So that in that way we can experience true success. The world is actually teaching us like that. The world is teaching us to get many things, many gadgets, many clothings, many good jewelries, many good cars for us to have. But that's nothing. We cannot have them on the next life. But having impact to other people through our lives will bring us a true success.